If you want to cancel your Deezer subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure that your account is properly deactivated. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Deezer website or open the Deezer app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select Subscription. In the account settings, look for the subscription or billing section. Click on it to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Choose Cancel Subscription. Find the option to cancel your subscription. Click on it and follow any prompts to confirm your decision to cancel. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, you should receive a confirmation message or email. Make sure to check your email for this confirmation to ensure your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Once you've completed these steps, your Deezer subscription will be cancelled. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Deezer's customer support.